Hello, how you doing? Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Really simple today. We're going to make carrot rice. Very few ingredients. Got some garlic, ginger, but most importantly, I've got some fennel seeds in there, which I think give it a lovely flavour. Bit of rice, bang it in the pan. That's it. It's really simple. By the way, it is healthy, vegetarian, and vegan. Let's go. Okay, so easy, so delicious. We've got some cooked rice there. I'm using a basmati rice. Now, I always find that old rice, when I say old and cold, like I cooked that yesterday, nice cold rice works really well. Hot and warm rice doesn't fry so well. Anyway, onion, small onion chopped. That's like one large carrot grated, tablespoon of ginger, tablespoon of garlic, tablespoon of fennel seeds, or if you wanted cumin seeds would work, and then a couple of teaspoons of coriander powder. That's about it. I'm going to start this off with some oil, add a bit of salt and pepper. Let's get moving. Okay, so you're going to need a wok or a frying pan. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could be using something different if you wanted. Heating that up on a nice above medium heat. In go the fennel seeds. And like I say, if you don't have fennel seeds, you could use cumin seeds maybe. To that we're going to add our ginger. Just cut that into nice little sticks. Chop it smaller if you like. Equal amounts of garlic. Then goes the onion. Really easy this one, really easy. Then we're going to add in the grated carrot. I'm going to add some salt, some black pepper, and then we're going to go for about 4 to 5 minutes stirring this around. Then we'll add our rice. It's pretty much it. It's really easy. Now I like my carrot to have a little bite in it. If you don't, you need to cook this a little bit longer. We're now going to put in that little bit of coriander powder. Well, you can stick a bit of curry powder in this if you wanted, if you fancied sort of changing the direction of it a little bit. Then we're going to go in with our cold cooked rice. I'm going to turn the heat up to maximum now. And I'm going to go for about another 4 to 5 minutes. We really want to fry the rice now. Keep it moving. That's it really. Pretty much done with this one. Delicious. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, comment and all that stuff, will ya? Okay, so can you hear that? You really need to be frying your rice nicely. If you get a little browning or blackening on the rice, I think that's beautiful. And as you can see, because we use cold rice, it's remained really light and fluffy. It hasn't, stuck together. If you use hot rice or warm rice, it will stick together and get a little bit mushy. Cold rice is the way forward, guys. Off goes the heat. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add a little bit of cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. And I'm also gonna add, completely optional, some red chili. Now they look really hot. They're actually not that hot. They've got a nice kick to them, but it's an option. You can go that way if you want. Very delicious. Very delicious this is. Super delicious, super easy. Let me get this on a plate for you. All right, and there you go. Steaming hot, straight out the pan. Delicious. I think I've said that quite a few times today, delicious. But it is. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please. Give us a thumbs up. That does help us out a great deal. And do leave a comment and say hi. We want to know that you're keeping well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well, thanks for getting to the end of the video. Now, look, I just want to tell you about this other channel that I've got. It's called Simon Bellyful. It's me basically going out different places in the world where I get the opportunity to go to. I'm eating, seeing people, meeting people, seeing what's happening around there. So if you're into that sort of thing, have a little look at it. See you later.